Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the update on XLM. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price and XLM was once again bounced from the support of a down channel on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if we move to the live 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that after getting bounced from the support of this channel, it is now reached resistance. And for the past few hours, it is again trying to break it out. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you a bigger down channel that XLM has broken out on the daily time frame chart. You can see that for the past several days, since after 23rd of November 2024, it was moving inside this channel. And after the breakout, we also broke out this very significant resistance of Ichimoku bullish cloud, this green cloud as well. And that is now acting as a support after the breakout. The price then could not break out this long-term, very strong resistance on from 45 to 51 cents. That was previously working as support zone, and now after the breakdown for the past several weeks, it is flipped into a resistance. The price and could not break it out. And we have also found this uptrend line resistance as well. We got rejection here, and rejection here as well. Recently, we also broke out the resistance of EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame chart, this red line. That was previously breaking as a very strong resistance for several days or weeks. And after the breakout, it was flipped into a support. But now, again, we have broken it down. Therefore, if the price then breaks out this channel, this smaller down channel, then even then, this EMA 21 can work as another very, very strong resistance for the price. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance as well. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. That was a very big and huge harmonic bullish vertical pattern that XLM has formed on the monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this was a quite long-term trade signal, and this signal has produced more than 400% rally. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for STPT, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup. And then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 30th of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this was the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. This was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now let me to take you to the long-term trade signal for XLM that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. That was a very, very huge harmonic bullish vertical pattern that XLM formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And I shared this signal on 29th of May 2022. You can see when I shared this signal at that time, it was moving at 12.7 cents. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line has pumped very well and finally reached the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied more than 400%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of XLM. And first of all, let me to show you the 4-hour time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this down channel since after 15th of January 2024. It is moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce. Another bounce here. Almost had another bounce here. And got rejected here. And here we had a fake out from this channel, and the price and re-entered the channel. And now once again, it has reached the resistance of this channel and trying to break it out. In case of another rejection, the price can test the support of the channel this time approximately somewhere here, approximately at 36 cents. And in case of breaking out the channel, the technical target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at 51 cents. And that is also the bottom, the top of a very strong resistance zone as well. That is, by the way, more visible on the daily time frame chart. Now we have switched to the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days, the price is struggling to break out this resistance zone from 45 to 51 cents. Therefore, after the breakout from this channel, we may see a powerful attempt to break out this resistance zone once again. Now, on this daily time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this down channel And after the breakout, we have imminently also broken out this very huge resistance of Ichimoku bullish cloud as well that is now acting as a support. And for a while, we also broke out this resistance of EMA 21 as well. But recently, we have again broken it down. Therefore, again, it is in fact flipped into a resistance. You can see that we got stable ejections here while moving inside this smaller down channel. Therefore, we will need to break out this EMA 21 resistance as well. Right now, the EMA 21 resistance is moving at approximately at 42.7 cents. And here we also have this upper trend line resistance as well. And we will also need to break it out even after the breakout from this long-term resistance on from 45 to 51 cents. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this channel, this down channel, and this breakout has happened here on the daily time frame chart, that target is here at the top of the channel, approximately at 63 cents. And now let's move to the weekly time frame. And here, this is the falling wedge pattern that I've been showing you for the past 2 years. But I've been telling you that after breakout, we can expect a very massive pump. And the target that I was telling you was here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And now you can see that finally the price line is very close to hit that target. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.